You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 4,255,680,726. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 0 plus 6 equals 7. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Carry 1 to the millions place. 1 plus 6 plus 8 equals 15. Carry 1 to the 10 millions place. 1 plus 8 plus 6 equals 15. Carry 1 to the 100 millions place. 1 plus 3 plus 8 equals 12. Carry 1 to the billions place. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And so the final result is 4,255,680,726.